What's up, Honda heads? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing on this brand new 2024 Honda Motocompacto. I think is what this is called. Yeah, Honda Compacto. Yeah, if you guys are Honda heads, you guys would know that these are a spin-off of the older Honda Moto Comp. They came in the, I believe, 1983 Honda Cities as I believe it was an option. It's a little moped that they had in the back that came with the car, and you know, it was a cool little thing to, you know, drive within the city. But yeah, I was able to get my hands on a Honda, on this Moto Compacto. So we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing. As you guys could see, it's still in its original OEM Honda box. I'm gonna take it out of that. It's a box within a box, and put the scooter together. And I also wanted to give you a quick rundown real quick of some little things I ended up doing to the EK that I did not record. As you guys seen in my previous video, I was able to paint the turbo housing and catch can, but what you guys didn't see, I ended up installing the Circuit Hero cooling plate. You know, this is an older piece. They still sell these things. I wanted to do like a carbon style carbon cooling plate, but due to the fact that I am running the radiator on the driver's side, it wasn't gonna fit, because them carbon fiber ones usually have the little indentation or cutout for the radiator on the passenger side. But yeah, that is one quick little update I ended up doing within the car. The second update I have done to the car, I ended up sending this cargo cover to my upholster guy, and he ended up upholstering it within the Bride. So now I have the whole setup as the Bride, you know, rear tires, spare tire, the cargo cover, and it'll just go off with the rest of the interior. It's pretty hard to tell, but yeah, I got the headliner done, visors done, door panels, center console. I did have the shift boot as well, but due to the fact that I am running now the billet race shifter, the shift boot, you know, doesn't fit. So yeah, that was the last piece I needed to get done, upholstered, to just have the whole Bride setup going on within the EK interior, and I think it came out awesome. So yeah, guys, let me set you guys up over on a tripod and see if we could get this Moto Compactor or Compacto unboxed, and see if we take it for a quick little ride, man. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so yeah, pop it out of the box. If you guys are trying to order this, the way Honda sends these, they come with a little square hole right in the front of the box here, right on above the part number, where it gives you access to be able to charge the box right within that hole there. You know, there's a little port here, and then it gives you access to the actual scooter. You're able to charge it within the box, so that's pretty cool. If you guys are in the market, guys, you could just type in that part number right there. It's part number 08Z15-PR8-100, and you put that on any of the online Honda parts. You guys type it into the part number, you guys be able to find it, like a Honda Parts Now, Honda Parts Unlimited. There's a couple online Honda and Acura OEM part resources that you could find online. Just type in that part number and it'll pop right up. This scooter is going right now, the going rate from Honda is about $995, just shy of $1,000, but after taxes and all that, it's gonna be a little over $1,000. I ended up picking this up right around $1,000. I ended up calling a couple dealers within my neighborhood, my neck of the woods, none of them were able to get these in stock. Everybody was telling me mid-June is a possibility as to when I might be able to get one if I were to put my name within their little pot that they had going on. So yeah, I was gonna wait. So I ended up finding someone on the marketplace who ended up having 2 of them. He was selling them for $1,100 a pop. I ended up offering them $1,000 for both. I ended up picking up both. I ended up picking up one for myself. A buddy of mine was also looking for one, so he ended up picking up the other one. So we were able to get these for just at $1,000 for each one. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna start unboxing this now and yeah, show you what it all comes in the box. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so to start off, you know this. You're gonna open it from the bottom. They come with these little tabs here. Just like that, guys. As you guys can see, it comes in this nice Honda box. It reminds me like an Apple product. Whenever you open up an Apple product, I love, man. I can't stress the fact enough, the way Apple wraps their products. You know, this is the same ordeal, man. It's nice custom fitted foam to fit the scooter. I believe that's the charger, and then yeah, and then the scooter with the 4 corner pieces. The box looks real nice, good quality box. So yeah, let me set you guys down. Yeah, so it comes with the little instruction booklet. Yeah, it gives you instructions on how to set the whole scooter up. You know, it is not rocket science, guys. It's pretty self-explanatory. I did watch a couple videos and it did seem pretty easy to set up. It comes with some Japanese instructions. Yeah, operation manual, and it just gives you the charging lights within the charger, what the identification, what everything means. So yeah, back, and again, guys, charger. You know, with the nice little Honda logo right on the charger. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't really tell off looking off the screen, but yeah, man, it does remind me almost like like your Apple products, you know. So that's pretty dope, pretty neat. Set that aside. Oh boy. Let me get this out of the way. So as you guys can see, it comes with a little kickstand. It holds it right up. It's always good practice, man, to inspect anything you buy brand new to make sure it got no cracks from shipping. I figured it wasn't gonna have, the box didn't have any damage on it, so yeah. To unfold the scooter, this is gonna come with a little tab right here. You squeeze it down, lift up. Just like that. And have the seat. That's pretty dope. So yeah, the way the seat works. Hold on. So the way the seat works, you just fold it, and it has this little locking tab here. Just pull it down. It's like spring loaded, and then it locks in. And you come with this latch and latch it just like that, and you got a nice sturdy seat on there. And now the seat, as you're gonna see, is gonna come with this little opening here that goes facing towards the handlebars, guys. Just like that, that's locked into place. Now, let me see. What do we do here? Got this little latch right here. Fold the latch up, lift this up. Lock it into place. Now there's gonna be a little flap inside here where you're gonna come and lock it in place. That's what's gonna lock the handlebar, because if not, it's gonna just fold up and down. So yeah, just come. It's got a little red tab on it, spring-loaded tab. Just come and lift it up towards the handlebar, and that's gonna lock it in place. Now, with the handlebars, you're gonna see this little flap here. You're gonna push this in, fold it out, twist it, and then just flap it back in, just like that. All right, guys, this little rear wheel is gonna be a little tricky. Let me show you how it's done. Trying to get you in frame, but yeah, you're gonna have this flap here. Fold this up, and then angle it in the upward position like that. And in the rear back here, you're gonna have this little black tab. You slide this up, and when you slide that up, you pull the tire on, and it locks it in place, just like that. Then come back with the same tab and drop it down, and you're good. That's it. For the most part, she is all set up. So the way you are gonna turn this on, it's gonna come with one single power button here. Just come, hold it in place until it kicks on. Let the battery come up. It's gonna say full charge. This is gonna be your miles per hour, and then you're gonna have two modes. You see it says a little light icon, and it's in one, which is the first mode, which is your slow mode, which I believe is like upwards of 10 miles per hour. You one single click, it shuts the light off. You see, one click gives you that little light indicator there for when you're driving at night. And I believe this is also a brake light, yeah. So you come, you hit this little brake switch, and you got yourself a little brake light, which is pretty cool. Oh man, so then yeah, single click again. The light comes off, you do a fast double click. Oh wait, what happened here? Fast double click, it goes into mode 2, which is your fastest speed, which I believe is at 15 miles an hour. Single click and the light goes off. I believe when you're on mode 2, the second you hit the button, it goes, right? But on mode 1, you hit the button and nothing, right? They say you gotta help it, and the second you give it a little push, you know, you give it a little push and it goes. So right now I'm hitting the button, nothing happens. The second I go, yeah, my road is pretty bumpy. Yeah, look, 5 miles an hour. That's what my big self here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this is better experience on a smoother road. Once you get this on a smoother road, it's a lot easier. Oh. You guys can see, we're at 7 miles an hour, mode 1. We are going up a slight little hill. Let me turn around, give me a sec. We're gonna be going downhill. It's 12 miles an hour, 11. All right.
Hello. With my sky, give me my.
Alright guys, so this is super bumpy. Does not have any shock, so yeah, it's a really rough ride, but you know, like I said, for what we're gonna be using it at the track, it's gonna be more than enough scooter for what we need it for. So yeah, what do you think, Sally?
It's good.
It's good. He just wants to ride it, so. As you guys could see, a little 6-year-old could ride it. It's not that hard. He's getting the hang of it, so yeah. All right, guys, so yeah, man, this little scooter's pretty dope, man. You know, is it worth paying $1,000? I guess that is subjective. You know, I figured I'd pay it. It'd be a cool little thing, you know, to bring to the channel, unboxing it being a Honda scooter and all. But yeah, man, if you guys are getting this, I wouldn't recommend getting something like this for, like, you know, little kids, you know, because it is a bit expensive. There is other cheaper alternatives of electric scooters you can get for, you know, a third of the price. But, you know, like I said, this is a Honda channel, so I figured I'd pick this up. Yeah, for the most part, for what I'm going to be using it for, I think it's going to be a great little tool. You know, the range on these things are about 15 miles, I think, round trip on one battery, which is pretty cool. You know, and you know, then you're going to need to charge them up. I was planning on painting this cover. I was thinking about painting it Midori green to match the car. Wasn't sure, you know. I was thinking about painting a Midori green, upholstering this seat in the bride, and then getting probably the purple handlebars just to, you know, match the EK whenever I'm at shows. You know, put the bike or the scooter in front of the car. I thought it'd just be a real cool little thing to do. I don't know, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see me laying down some paint on this Compacto, I don't know. I think it'd be cool. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it, guys. I know it wasn't nothing install or anything that had to do with any of the cars, but it is a Honda product, so I figured I'd bring it and showcase it on this channel. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. And remember, until next time, stay blessed. Peace.